Here's a large deal of basically Potch. There is a few pieces of bit of colour in it, but it's just being sold as Potch for backing for doublet, triplets. I'll just go a bit closer. Okay, I've just gone in a little bit. Here's this piece here, you can see. Got some flash in it. Piece here. Basically some dark grey mostly. Some black centres, which is the best for doublets and triplets. Other pieces, like I said, the dark grey. Some of it has a bit of opal in it. Doesn't mean that you might find a piece with a nice opal in it. It is what it is. There's a little bit of clay amongst it, not many pieces. There's a bit of nice colour. Anyway, it is what it is. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.